Yes, hello my viewers and welcome to today's lesson. Our today's lesson, we are going to cover a topic called simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. That's simultaneous equation. From the word go, we need to understand what is simultaneous equation and then various ways we can solve simultaneous equation. We need to understand what is simultaneous equation and then to solve any arithmetic using ways of solving simultaneous equation using various ways. To start with, we shall define what is simultaneous equation. And we say that simultaneous equation involves all the equations. It involves all the equation that has two or more unknown variables that are to have the same values in equation. So we are saying they are the equation that has two or more unknown that are to have the same values. In other language, we can say that simultaneous equation have two or more algebraic equations that share the same variable or that shares variables. They share variables, and example of variables are x, y, or z. So they have got two or more algebraic equations that share same variables. And at the same time, what should you note? They are solved at the same time. Ways of solving equation or simultaneous equation. We have got various ways of solving simultaneous equation. One of the way is by use of elimination method. The other way is by use of substitution method, and the other way is by use of graphical method. And in our today's lesson, we will learn how to solve simultaneous equation using the elimination method. Elimination method. Now, from the word go, we need to ask ourselves, what is elimination method, or how can we apply elimination method? And we say that in elimination method, we eliminate any one of the variables by using basic arithmetic operation and then simplify the equation to find the value of the other variables. Now, what does it entail in elimination method? In elimination method, we said examples of variables that we are using are x, y, and z. Now, we take any one of these variables and use the basic arithmetic operation and then simplify the equation to find the value of the other. So for us to understand this method, we can have a sum or an equation, then we solve it. We come to understand how it is being applied. And in this case of ours, we have been given an arithmetic question to solve, and it says solve the following simultaneous equation using elimination method. We have got 5x plus 3y is equals to 7, and negative 3x plus 5y is equals to 23. Now, this is equation 1, and this is equation 2. From equation 1, which is 5x plus 3y is equals to 7, you make x the subject of the formula. So it will be 5x is equals to 7 minus 3y. What have you done? You have taken, we have subtracted 3 on both sides, 3y and 3y. So if we divide this side by 5 and this side by 5, our x will be 7 minus 3y over 5. And this is our equation 3. Now, the next step will be to equate whatever the value of x, we equate it in the equation 2. Now, from equation 3, we equate to equation 2, it will be negative 3 into bracket. What is the value of x? The value of x is 7 minus 3y over 5. And then we add plus 5 equals to 23. Now, we open the bracket, it will be negative 3 times 7, which will be 21, negative 21. And then negative 3y, it will be 9y all over 5. Then we add 5y, which is equals to 23. Now, if we multiply 5 on both sides, we shall remove this 5. And then this 5 we multiply by this one. So this one will be negative 21 plus 9y plus 5 times 5, it will be 25y. And then 23 times 5, it will be 115. If we add this, we collect this one together, it will be negative 21 plus 34y, which is equals to 115. If we take negative 21 to the other side, this one will be 34y is equals to 115 plus 21. So 34y is equals to, if you add 115 to 121, you'll get 136. If we divide by 34 on both sides, our y will be equals to 4. So our y is equals to 4. What is x? Now you take where y is. You can take any equation, be it equation 1, equation 2, etc. Now let us take equation y. Equation 1, 5x plus 3y is equals to 7. What is the value of our y? It will be 5x plus 3 into 4 is equals to 7. Now 5x plus 12 is equals to 7. If you take 12 on the other side, it will be negative, so this one will be x. 5x is equals to 7 minus 12, which is equals to negative 5 and 5x. If we divide both sides by 5, you will get x is equals to negative 1. Therefore, our values will be x is equals to negative 1 or y is equals to 4. And that is our answer of today. And that is how we apply elimination method to solve simultaneous equation. Thank you for being good listener. Let us meet in another class of the straight talk. Thank you very much.